Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad, and the first code is *#06#. And thanks to this code you are provided with the email number and serial number of this device. Another code is *##, 225 ###. And here we've got the calendar info, so we can check all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back, and another code *##, 4636 ###, where we can enter the testing mode. We can check the phone information, where we've got the info just like the phone number, for example, car network, data service, or voice service. Note that you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. You can run ping test here, and after tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can also select radio band or enable data connection. You can also enter Wi-Fi information, so for example the status, refresh the stats, and here we've got the information just like the Wi-Fi state, SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test here. And another code, and the last code, it is *##, 426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information, so for example the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.